Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today's mission is to make a quick and simple party snack. Seasoned baked tortilla chips are perfect for that. So, let's do it! The secret of these baked tortilla chips lies in the blend of the following 6 spices. So, just to run over them quickly, we will need some chili powder, smoked paprika, bit of salt, ground pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of oil to brush the tortillas with. Okay, get a small bowl and let's start by putting in a quarter of a teaspoon chili powder, followed by half teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon pepper, quarter of a teaspoon garlic powder, and quarter of a teaspoon onion powder. Combine all the spices properly together. Get some oil, brush, and start brushing your tortillas with a little bit of oil. And make sure you brush both sides. We have 5 tortillas altogether. You can have more or less. So, when you've gone through them all, cut them into 8 slices. Now lay the triangles into a baking tray on a piece of baking paper. Season them with our prepared spice mix. Put a second layer of tortillas onto them and season again. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit and bake for about 15 minutes. Take them out and try if they are nice and crispy. If not, put them back for a little longer. Ours are just fine. So put them on a plate and serve with your favorite dip, like guacamole, salsa or hummus. The blend of 6 spices we used made them taste really great. Now you just need to invite your friends over and get the party started. Give it a try and let us know how it turned out for you down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching and remember that you can veganize anything. Take care and see you next week.